Veganism and pregnancy. Having a baby is a very exciting time in the lives of most people, and trying to stay healthy is something that is at the forefront of most people's minds. Trying to carry a successful pregnancy while following a vegan lifestyle might seem extremely difficult, but for the average woman who is healthy during pregnancy, it is completely possible to do. However, there are a few considerations that you should take into account in order to obtain the best results possible. The average woman going through a normal pregnancy has very few complications. Yet at the same time, this seems eerily like a wonderful dream that may not actually describe your situation. Most women have at least some mild problems during their pregnancy, which makes it a bit difficult to have the perfect smooth pregnancy that they have dreamed of. You are certainly not alone if you have experienced some complications, but if you are vegan, it is very important to ensure that you are giving yourself, as well as your baby, the nutrients that are needed. It is vitally important that you tell your doctor that you are vegan when you first start seeking prenatal care. This will help your doctor to discuss your specific nutritional needs and also closely monitor you and your baby to be positive that you are getting the results that are needed. Many women are able to gain the proper amount of weight with no problems, however many others need assistance monitoring their weight to ensure that they gain enough weight, while others need help to ensure they do not gain too much. There are plenty of ways that your doctor can help you, but without knowing your typical eating habits, it is virtually impossible to determine. Taking the time necessary to write down all of the foods that you consume is extremely helpful as well. This will allow your doctor to quickly and easily see if there is anything that you should be eating that you are not presently eating. Additionally, taking a multivitamin is very important. This will help you to ensure that any deficiencies that you might have are actually resolved, rather than just ignored. Taking steps to ensure you stay in good health is much better than waiting until a problem develops to seek help as well, especially since your goal is ensuring that your baby stays healthy. Unlike what you might think, it is not impossible to carry a baby to full term while consuming a vegan diet. You might need to devote a bit of additional effort to planning meals, but every year there are hundreds of successful vegan pregnancies. You too can join the women who begin and finish their pregnancies as a vegan, and you are sure to be proud that you completed it as well. Trying to raise your baby as a vegan right from pregnancy is a great start for their life and can also provide some great benefits as well. Taking the time to really discuss your dietary needs with your doctor is vital, though, to ensure that you remain healthy. Also, make sure that you are consuming enough calories to cover your needs as well as the needs of your baby. This will help you to ensure that your baby develops properly and you are not weak or lightheaded at times. This is not a problem that is exclusive to veganism though, rather it is a complication that can happen to women regardless of typical dietary habits. Healthy babies are possible regardless of which diet you choose to follow. Talking to your doctor and ensuring that you are eating properly are all the basic steps that you need to follow, which will be extremely effective in helping you achieve your goal of a happy and, most importantly, healthy baby. Skimping over vital nutrients is obviously not recommended regardless of which dietary method you are planning to follow, and should be avoided at any costs possible.